No
So
idea.
chiropractic, I just opened it up. Wait, should I share my screen?
Yeah. Are you in SPSS?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Let me, hold on. Once this lets me use my mouse, I'll open it. I'll share.
Okay. In the question, we will explore the research questions. Do men voting preferences differ significantly from women's voting?
Okay, so you can enter those if you want to enter those. So just enter the cell, but just do the. Do you want me to screen share too?
Hold on. Let me, mine was just taking forever to upload the data.
So number 3 is just the hypothesis one. Is it the third one?
Let me see. Number 3, yeah, I think.
I just started screen sharing mine. So
Number 3 is the third.
Okay. And then what is the equation for computing oh, where's my, okay, Grayson, get off. Row total.
Okay, so now it opened. All right, finally.
Row total.
Grayson,
get off. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I miss cats so much.
Okay, wait, I'm confused on number 4.
Okay, I haven't even done number 3 yet. Wait,
oh, sorry.
No, don't be sorry. I'm just setting this all up. Which set of hypothesis is appropriate for addressing the research question? All right, so we have gender voting.
We said number 3.
Public opinion poll, a simple random sample depending on classified gender, male and by voting preference. Okay. Number 3, voting preference, independent, not independent. Yes, I agree. Okay.
And then number 4,
it's the last
is
one.
it okay, that's what I thought. But then also I have in my notes, it says row total times column total divided, oh wait, I think that's a different thing. Divided by table total. I think that's different. Never mind.
No, it's number 3, right?
Yeah. Okay, what is the correct choice for degrees of freedom for this problem? Okay, so you're in SPSS, so how did you find that?
Okay, I gotta set it up really quick. Weigh my data.
No, that's a different data set. Here, I'll here, you need to create a data set.
I have to create one?
Yeah, this is different. This is gender and voting. This isn't chiropractic.
Oh, you're right. Ah, snap.
Oh. So this one I could do on the Excel, but I don't know how to find the degrees of freedom though.
SPSS. Do
is open a new one.
And then I went up to watch the table, so I the table and look how many different female there are. There's Republican, Democrat, and Independent. So I wrote Republican, Republican twice because it's only female and male. Democrat. Do you see that? Democrat, Democrat twice.
I have to type my.
Hey, so did you put those in yourself, or was there something to download?
Yes.
Oh, you did it yourself?
You have to put them in yourself.
Okay, that's what he did in the thing. So I was like, okay, so Republican, Independent, Democrat. Okay, I can do that.
And then female, male, female, male. And then you just.
Where did you get a blank one? Where did you get a blank one? Like if you don't have to download something, did you just open it?
New.
Blank?
File, new. Data.
Okay.
And you're gonna have to do this, I think. So it's probably. And here's when you want to give them titles, you go down to variable. Here, I'll do it again. I'll just do it again. Woo! Okay, so let's do Republican. Republican. Oh. Okay, and then how many? So female. Oh, female, I know. Male.
Okay, so we do Democrat first and
How many female Republicans were there? 250.
250.
Then you enter the numbers correlating to that.
Okay. Do you do one for the total or no?
No.
Okay.
And then here's what I do. You weight everything first. So data, weight cases, and you weight. And I named one, the last one, the numbers. I named that count. So you move it by count. And then it's weighted. You analyze descriptive statistics, cross tabs, and you put the 2 in there that aren't count in there. Make
So-
sure you do chi-square on here.
so at the top you put female and male for the rows. Or-
Yeah, for gender. Male, female, male, female, male. Hi.
Okay, that
Hi.
that thing that you just pulled up, that literally looks like my thing on Excel. So how do you find
Yeah.
the degrees of freedom on there then?
Listed there. It's listed right here.
Oh, I see it. Oh, it's 4, right?
No, it's, I think it's 2.
Okay, wait, now I'm confused. Why is mine 4 and yours is 2?
Beats the crap out of me. Hi. Hi.
Something was counted twice.
Wait, let's make sure mine's 2.
And every time I have to come to look at your thing, I have some. It's killing me.
Yeah, I think it's 2.
Okay, so I
Do you
got
want me to screen share again?
200. Oh, that's because I entered the total. Oops.
Yeah, so make sure you entered everything correctly. And then I bet it's going to be the same. I just don't want to relearn Excel now.
I know, right?
So, no, mine still says 2.
2 is the answer.
What? I don't understand why Excel and SPSS will give different answers. 600, 400. Okay, that's all the same. So wait, you already did the quiz, right?
Yeah.
And 4 was correct?
Question number 4. Question number 5.
Oh,
It's
5.
2.
It's what?
2.
2?
Yeah.
Oh, so mine is right.
4, but then you fixed it and now it's 2.
Are we
It's
supposed to
still-
put?
Yeah.
Quick question: are we supposed to put the totals on the SPSS?
Victoria said no.
No. Okay. And then I forgot. How do we change these up here?
Go down to the bottom of your, click on variable view,
Oh,
and then read the first one, preference, whatever it is, voting preference. Don't put any spaces.
so the first one is voting. Oops.
Well,
Did it-
whatever one you put first, but I think if you put that one, then yeah. Hi.
Yeah.
One is gender.
And then do we label the numeric one or no?
Count. Name it count.
Are you on the same problem?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Like you have to enter all of this stuff. It's so annoying. Hi.
Oh, this is
Okay.
weird.
Okay, then I weigh my cases, right?
Yes. Hi.
Okay, weigh cases. Hold on. And then select radio. Am I supposed to move this over? I am. Okay. Variable. Okay. And then I do the hypothesis test, right?
So you go analyze,
This
crosstab.
cross tab. Elise. Yes. Can you take it downstairs? Thank you. Okay. So row 1 is my
It doesn't
voting
matter.
preference. Oh.
And then go to,
do we don't move count.
I don't think so. So go click on statistics. Yeah.
And then we do the okay. And then cells. This is the one that they
Expected.
they did in the video, but not on the text.
I know.
Okay.
I know. Go down to towards the bottom.
There it is.
Okay, so yeah, yours looks the exact same as mine. Except for, what does your p-value say?
It's 0.000.
Okay, and then what does your test statistics say?
My test statistic is 16.204.
Okay, yeah, mine is the exact same. Oh.
Why does mine take so long to set up? Sucks.
Well, Jesse, if you do want to use the Excel for that, so far it's all been the same, so I don't know.
Okay.
Whatever you want to do, I don't care.
Okay.
Okay,
I
so
saved the link. Okay, so the requirements for X testament met by this data set. Requirements, yes. Yes, there. Counts in each cell.
wait, which one? Yes.
It's the first, yes.
Oh. Okay.
What
What is
in the kitchen?
One scroll's a long time to enter.
This is the next value for this problem. 16.204. What was the p-value? 0.000. Which of the following statement best describes the outcome of this study? It was less than, right? So
Don't
less
don't do that.
than we.
No.
Wait, no.
Describe the alternative hypothesis. So when there is sufficient evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are not independent, because the HO and HA are always. Here's what they always are. And second, the first variable and the second variable are independent. That's always the null. Alternative is always variable are not independent. I mean, that's always going to be the wording.
Okay.
First variable is. So here it's gender and voting preference. Do you know? I didn't mean to like repeat what you know.
No, the sufficient part makes sense. I'm just trying to, they are not independent, trying to grasp my brain around that. Like, I know what it says, like I have the written down from the notes, but trying to make the connection. Hold on. So it's not independent if you have sufficient evidence?
If you reject the null says they are independent. The alternate says they're not independent.
Go, go, go. Go watch your show.
Keep it written down and keep looking at your written down piece, because I always have to look at the one that I wrote down. I'm like, I don't know.
Alicia. Yes, take this away. Go color.
What's on it?
It's a number.
So now you need to open up the chiropractic one.
Oh, now I do? Okay. Alicia,
just a minute? I'll be right back. I can still hear you though.
go watch TV. Okay, so the research question for the study: do people seek out? Oh, to visit a chiropractor? Huh?
Baby, hi. Ready for nap time.
How is that not independent earlier if that's... Ugh. Okay. I don't get it still. It's okay. I'll figure it out.
I really have to keep looking at what I've written. I can't remember it very well, but I keep looking at my notes for that one.
Okay. Because it's like it flips it.
I know.
Makes sense? Okay.
Did you go to the study group? The test session?
No, I didn't. Did you?
Me neither. No, I'm gonna watch.
Me too. I went to the very first test session and I was like, okay, I need to do this at a time that's flexible. I didn't really miss. Okay, the conditions for concluding a child independence are satisfied. Okay, so we have to weigh this one. Do we just do the same thing that we did to the other?
Yeah, so weigh the counts.
So weigh it. Weigh. And then do we do just the same thing again with
Cross tabs and stuff.
analyze?
Yeah. Here's why I did the test before. It's because I wanted to make sure I understood it before I came here and I was bossy. Does that make sense?
No, yes, it does.
I didn't want to come in here and be like, well, this, blah, 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 and then be really wrong. So I wanted to make sure that I actually knew what I was doing.
Well, thank you for hanging out anyways.
It's all good.
Okay, so have they been met? Let's see. Yes, they have been met, so true. I mean, it seems fairly easy, like watching the videos, because we just have to plug everything in. But that being said, sometimes it's like tricky questions for the quizzes.
Yeah.
What are the degrees of freedom? So we got 8.
Yeah. Alexis, are you getting this stuff?
Yes, I was just listening. Sorry.
Is it the same on your Excel for this one too?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, use
So
it.
I don't know if it's easier, then I'm just gonna use it. I
Yeah,
guess.
I would. I just don't want to learn it now, but I would use it if it's the same.
What is the value of x statistics?
Yeah.
7.4.
7.436, right?
Yes, that's what I got. And then what is the p-value? Move this over. I can't see it. Okay, it's 490.
49.
Yeah, 0.490. Okay. Okay, which of the following statements best describes the outcome of the study? We had, so it's greater than, so we failed to reject, so that means if it's
insufficient, right?
So it's insufficient, but they are independent?
Yes, so it's insufficient to suggest that it's not independent. So we can't say the alternative. So I think it's the second one.
Wait, but then if this is the second one, then the top one is incorrect.
Don't worry about the top one.
No, no, not the top one. I meant the other
The other one we did?
Yeah, because it was opposite, so it shouldn't be not independent.
No, because the other one that we did was there is sufficient.
Yes, but they are independent down here at the bottom. Do you see?
Independent. So remember when we give the claim in layman's terms, first we say we reject or we don't reject, and then the sentence we write, we talk about the alternative. So in the sentence that we write, we don't talk about the null, we talk about the alternative.
Okay. I see what you're saying. So does that mean it's always going to be the not in the sentence then? Because the alternative is always not.
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
Are you sure? Okay, let's start.
I'll submit it and I'll let you know.
Did you turn it in already?
Turned it in and I put the third one. Okay, so I just turned it in and it is the second one.
For 14?
There is insufficient evidence to suggest that the motivation is not independent.
Okay. What did we get 100% though?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's always easier when we're on the test together. I don't understand why the homework quizzes are so hard.
Daylight savings, yay! It's coming.
Oh, so not excited for that.